Ventoy 1.1.16 has officially been released. And if you're someone who regularly installs operating systems, tests Linux distributions, repairs Windows PCs, or simply enjoys experimenting with bootable USB drives, this update is definitely worth paying attention to. Over the past few years, Ventoy has become one of the most popular utilities for creating bootable USB drives, largely because it completely changed the traditional process. Instead of formatting your USB drive every time you wanted to create a new bootable installer, Ventoy allows you to simply copy ISO, WIM, IMG, VHD, FE, or other supported image files directly onto the USB drive like normal files. Once you boot from the USB, Ventoy automatically detects every supported image and presents them in a convenient boot menu. This simple yet revolutionary approach has made Ventoy an essential tool for Linux users, Windows administrators, IT professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts around the world. Now, with the arrival of Ventoy 1.1.16, the project continues to improve compatibility, reliability, and support for newer operating systems and hardware. Before looking at what's new, it's worth understanding why Ventoy has become so popular in the first place. Traditional USB creation tools usually require users to select a single ISO file, format the USB drive, and write that image onto the device. If you later want to boot another operating system, you must erase everything and repeat the process. That becomes frustrating when you're testing multiple Linux distributions or maintaining several Windows installers. Ventoy solves this problem by installing its own boot manager onto the USB drive only once. After that, you simply drag and drop ISO files into the storage partition without formatting the drive again. You can store dozens of Linux distributions, multiple Windows installers, rescue disks, antivirus recovery tools, and diagnostic utilities all on the same USB stick. When you boot the computer, Ventoy automatically lists every supported image and lets you choose which one to launch. This flexibility has saved countless hours for users and has become one of the biggest reasons why many people never go back to traditional USB creation tools. Ventoy 1.1.16 continues the project's commitment to keeping pace with the rapidly changing Linux ecosystem. Every month, new Linux distributions are released, updated, or modified with different boot mechanisms. Since many distributions make changes to their installers or bootloaders, compatibility can occasionally become an issue. The Ventoy developers actively monitor these releases and update the software to ensure that new ISOs continue working properly. Version 1.1.16 includes improvements that increase compatibility with newer Linux releases and fixes several boot-related issues reported by users. While these improvements may not appear dramatic at first glance, they are incredibly important because even a small compatibility fix can mean the difference between a USB drive working perfectly or failing to boot on certain systems. Another major focus of this release is stability. One of the strengths of Ventoy has always been its reliability across different hardware platforms. Computers vary enormously in their firmware implementations, with some using traditional BIOS while most modern systems rely on UEFI. Even among UEFI systems, manufacturers often introduce slight variations that can create compatibility challenges for boot software. Ventoy 1.1.16 includes multiple internal improvements that enhance boot reliability across a wider range of devices. Users who previously experienced occasional boot failures or inconsistent behavior may notice smoother operation after upgrading to this version. These refinements are often invisible during normal use, but they contribute significantly to the dependable experience that users expect. Windows installation support also remains one of Ventoy's strongest features. Many users rely on Ventoy to keep several versions of Windows on a single USB drive, including Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server editions, recovery environments, and custom installation images. Because Microsoft regularly updates Windows installation media, Ventoy needs continuous adjustments to ensure these newer images continue functioning correctly. Version 1.1.16 includes updates that maintain compatibility with the latest Windows ISOs and installation processes. This is especially valuable for IT administrators who frequently deploy Windows across multiple computers or maintain repair tools for troubleshooting systems. Linux enthusiasts are equally likely to appreciate the improvements found in Ventoy 1.1.16. The Linux ecosystem evolves rapidly, with distributions such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Arch Linux, Linux Mint, OpenSUSE Manjaro, EndeavourOS, and many others releasing updated installation media throughout the year. Each release may introduce changes in the kernel, initramps, secure boot implementation, or installer framework. Ventoy's development team continuously tests these distributions to ensure compatibility remains excellent. With every new version, the compatibility database grows larger, allowing users to confidently boot both mainstream and niche Linux distributions from a single USB device. Secure boot compatibility continues to be another important aspect of Ventoy's development. Modern computers increasingly ship with Secure Boot enabled by default, and many users prefer not to disable it due to the additional security it provides. Supporting Secure Boot while maintaining flexibility for booting many different operating systems is a complex challenge. Ventoy has invested significant effort into making Secure Boot work smoothly, and version 1.1.16 includes further refinements that improve this experience. These updates help reduce compatibility issues while ensuring users can boot supported operating systems without unnecessary configuration changes. Performance is another area where Ventoy quietly continues to improve. Although USB speed is primarily determined by the hardware itself, software optimization still plays an important role in how quickly menus load, how efficiently image files are detected, and how smoothly the boot process proceeds. Version 1.1.16 includes internal optimizations that make scanning large collections of ISO files more efficient. Users with USB drives containing dozens or even hundreds of images may notice faster menu generation and smoother navigation. These incremental improvements help keep Ventoy responsive, even as users continue expanding their portable software libraries. Another reason people appreciate Ventoy is its support for persistence with selected Linux distributions. Persistence allows changes made during a live session to be saved, enabling users to install applications, modify settings, and store files without installing Linux onto the computer's internal storage. This feature is particularly useful for portable work environments, troubleshooting, education, and privacy-focused computing. While persistent support requires additional configuration for some distributions, Ventoy continues refining compatibility with supported persistence mechanisms, making portable Linux systems even more practical. Plugin support remains one of Ventoy's most powerful advanced features. Through JSON configuration files, users can customize boot menus, define themes, assign persistence files, hide specific ISOs, specify default boot entries, enable password protection, configure automatic installation, and perform numerous other advanced tasks. These capabilities transform Ventoy from a simple USB boot tool into an extremely flexible boot management platform. Although many casual users never touch these advanced features, system administrators and power users often rely on them heavily. Ventoy 1.1.16 continues maintaining and improving this plugin infrastructure, ensuring that advanced customizations remain stable and compatible with newer releases. Updating to Ventoy 1.1.16 remains straightforward. Existing users generally do not need to recreate their USB drives from scratch. Instead, they can use Ventoy's update feature to upgrade the bootloader while preserving all stored ISO files. This is one of the most convenient aspects of the software because users may have accumulated dozens of installation images over time. Rather than backing everything up, formatting the drive, and copying files again, the update process usually takes only a few moments while keeping existing data intact. This convenience encourages users to stay current with the latest version and benefit from ongoing compatibility improvements. The open-source nature of Ventoy also deserves recognition. Unlike many proprietary utilities, Ventoy is developed openly, allowing users to inspect its source code, report bugs, contribute fixes, request features, and participate in testing. This collaborative development model has helped Ventoy mature rapidly while building trust within the Linux and open-source communities. Every release, including version 1.1.16, reflects feedback from thousands of users who identify compatibility issues across countless hardware configurations. The result is software that continues becoming more robust through community involvement. One of the biggest strengths of Ventoy is its remarkable format support. Beyond standard ISO files, it can boot WIM, IMG, VHD, VHD, XFE, and several other image formats depending on the operating system and configuration. This versatility means users can carry Windows installers, Linux distributions, rescue environments, backup tools, firmware update utilities, partition managers, and virtualization images all on one USB drive. Version 1.1.16 continues strengthening support across these different formats, ensuring users can rely on a single portable toolkit instead of carrying multiple USB drives. For technicians and IT professionals, Ventoy remains one of the most valuable utilities available. A single USB drive loaded with Windows installers, multiple Linux distributions, hardware diagnostic software, antivirus rescue disks, cloning utilities, memory testing tools, and firmware update images becomes an all-in-one service toolkit. Ventoy's ability to switch instantly between these environments saves valuable time during repairs and deployments. Version 1st of January 16 further reinforces this role by addressing reported issues and improving compatibility with the latest operating system releases. Casual users also benefit significantly from Ventoy. Someone interested in trying Linux for the first time can copy several distributions onto a single USB drive and compare them without repeatedly recreating boot media. Students learning about operating systems can keep educational environments together in one place. Developers can carry testing environments for different projects, while gamers experimenting with Linux gaming distributions can switch easily between installers. The simplicity of drag-and-drop file management lowers the barrier to entry for users who may have found traditional bootable USB tools confusing. Another advantage worth mentioning is that Ventoy does not require users to rename ISO files or follow complicated folder structures. Simply copying supported images to the USB drive is generally enough. The boot menu automatically identifies compatible images and lists them for selection. Users can organize files into folders if desired, and Ventoy continues to improve support for more organized storage layouts. These quality-of-life improvements contribute to a cleaner, more intuitive experience that appeals to both beginners and advanced users. As always, users should verify downloaded releases using the official checksums provided by the Ventoy project. Downloading software from the official GitHub repository or official project website helps ensure authenticity and security. Once installed or updated, users can continue adding new operating system images as they become available without changing the Ventoy installation itself. This future-proof design remains one of the application's greatest strengths. Overall, Ventoy 1.1.16 may not introduce flashy new features that completely redefine how the software works, but it represents exactly the kind of steady maintenance release that keeps an essential utility dependable. Improved compatibility with newer Linux distributions and Windows installation media, better stability across different hardware platforms, refinements for secure boot, bug fixes, performance optimizations, and continued community-driven development all contribute to a stronger overall experience. For anyone who regularly works with bootable USB drives, maintaining the latest version is highly recommended. Ventoy has already transformed the way millions of users create and manage bootable media, and version 1.1.16 continues building on that foundation with practical improvements that make everyday workflows smoother, more reliable, and better prepared for the latest operating systems. Whether you're an experienced Linux enthusiast, a Windows system administrator, a repair technician, or someone simply curious about exploring new operating systems, Ventoy 1st of January 16 reinforces why this small open-source utility remains one of the most indispensable tools you can keep in your software toolkit.